Welcome students. Now we can see about English grammar adverbs. What is meant by adverbs, types of adverbs and examples to understand the meanings of adverbs in a sentence. First, what is adverbs? Adverbs usually describes how, when and where it has done. Definition of adverb is a word that adds meaning to a verb. Example, he sings loudly. An adjective, very tall. Or another adverb, example, ended too quickly. So, it adds a meaning to a verb loudly, an adjective, very tall and another adverb, ended too quickly. So, in a simple word, adverbs tells when it is done, where it is done and how it is done. Example, we went to see a movie yesterday. In this, yesterday is an adverb. It explains when it is done. Another, trees grow slowly. Adverb is slowly. It explains how trees grow. Another example, we all ran where. It explains where we ran. Next, what are the types of adverbs? The types of adverbs are adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place and adverbs of time. Now we can see one by one. First we can see adverbs of degree. What is meant by adverb of degree? Adverb of degree explains about the intensity of a verb in a sentence. In other words, they describe how much or to what degree it is done. In a simple way, it tells us strength or intensity of something that happens, how much or how little. We can use it before an adjective. Now we can see the words that express the adverbs of degree. Usually the adverbs of degree uses almost, quite, nearly, to, enough, just, hardly, simply and so. Since the adverb of degree tells us the strength or intensity of something that happens, in this example, this short essay is hardly sufficient. The word hardly explains the strength of something of the essay used. And the next example, I am so excited to move to Ireland. This word so explains how it is more excited. Next, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time provides more information about when a verb takes place. Adverbs of time are usually placed at the beginning or end of a sentence. In a simple word, adverbs of time tells us when an action happened, but also for how long and how often. Adverbs of time often works best when placed at the end of a sentence. Now we can see what are the words that are used to explain the adverbs of time. Never, lately, just, always, recently, during, yet, soon, sometimes, usually, so far and daily. In this example, the newspaper arrives daily. Here the adverb daily works best since it is placed at the end of a sentence. Next example, we recently bought a new car. In this, the recently explains how an action occurred. So recently gives us the meaning how long an action occurred. So it occurred at recent. Next, adverb of place. Adverb of place tells where a verb is happening. It usually placed after the main verb or object or at the end of a sentence. In a simple word, adverb of place talks up about the location where the action of verb is being carried out. In a very simple way of understanding, it just tells us where something happens. Now we can see what are the words used to explain the adverbs of place. Here, there, now, here, everywhere, out, in, above, below, inside, outside and into. Keep the box of colors here. Here and there are common adverbs of place. In this, here gives an location where to keep the box of colors. Next, Neha went out of the classroom. In this, out express both movement and location at the same time. Next, we can see adverb of manner. This describes how something happens. So, the adverbs of manner provides how a verb is done, and adverbs of manner are probably the most common of all adverbs. Mostly, all will end in ly at the end, so they are very easy to spot. Adverbs of manner are usually placed either after the main verb or after the object. It cannot be put between a verb and its direct object. Examples of adverbs of manner are probably that end with ly at the end, and the words are neatly, gently, slowly, quickly, sadly, calmly, politely, loudly, kindly, lazily. Example: the doorbell rang loudly. So the word loudly tells us how it happens. So in this example, it tells the doorbell rang loudly. Next example, the tortoise walked slowly. So here the word slowly tells us how it happens. So the tortoise walked very slowly. Next, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency explain how often the verbs occurs. They are often placed directly before the main verb of a sentence. In a simple sentence, it describes how often an action happens, either in definite or indefinite terms. Adverbs of frequency often indicate routine or repeated activities. So the examples of adverbs of frequency are never, always, rarely, sometimes, normally, usually, again and seldom. Example: I always read a book before bed. This explains an routine activity. So the word always expresses routine activity, reading a book. Next, Helen has never seen a kangaroo. So the adverb never explains that Helen has never seen a kangaroo. Thank you.